wait. Does he ever go away?
And he's always
Yo, leave me alone.
It takes you 1 hour.
I said I changed my mind. Go.
He takes you home wherever you go, bro. You can be out the map and bro stay calm.
Yeah.
Bro,
Wait,
I'm just trying to. I just said never mind, bro. Never mind. Go away. Bro, I don't think this thing's going away. I don't think this guy's going away.
every time I think about it, I just...
Yo, wait. He almost got me. He almost could have got me. Yo, you kind of sort of suck.
I think about it every time I...
Yo, guys, you're gonna be in my YouTube video. Say hi. Whoa. Yo, wait. Does this guy actually never go away? Yeah, he.
Here, I'll explain.
Take that, stupid. Yeah, I'm gonna. Duh! You wait. Who wants to help me with this?